Hello, welcome to Mohansh Technologies. Okay, so in Python, last class we discussed about input function, and what this input function is going to be doing is taking inputs from user, and whatever the inputs you are trying to providing from your end, those particular inputs are taken by the computer, and which is going to be storing into the variables. So this is already we know how you can write a input function, how you are storing the data into the first name and last name, getting the full name. We already did some program in the last class, but today I want to tell you the one more important concept called price calculation using by the input function. Okay, so here the trick is basically inputs only taking string data. Inputs only taking string data. That is the major trick here. So we will apply that particular typecasting trick in the program. So let's try to do one simple program. What my requirement is, a program is very simple. Program is very simple. The first input, the second input, and third input. Okay. So first input, second input, and the third input. The first input is basically first input taking the value as cost, cost of the product. The second input is going to be a GST of the product, GST on top of the product. So some GST is going to be added government tax, no? And after that, you will be getting some discount. You will be getting some discount also. This is the program we have to implement. So, and finally, we are going to be checking the final cost of the product. We need to print the final cost of the product. We need to print the final cost of the product at the end of the program. So for this, we want to go with the collaboratory. Let me open the collaboratory. I will open collab. Okay, collaboratory. I will open collaboratory. So already we have the Google collaboratory, and this is Python code practice. Whatever you want, you can open it. Okay, let me open this one. And this is connecting Google Cloud Platform. Yeah, some collaboratory we already opened in the last class. Let me go through this collaboratory, and we will write down the simple program, price calculation kind of thing. Okay, let me zoom it. Okay, now mm, give the code, and this program name is price calculator or price calc. Okay, the first thing is uh, price of the product. Product price. First variable is product price is equal to input of enter product price. Enter product price. Okay, you can enter product price here. And second thing is product GST. GST. So is equal to input of input of enter GST. Enter GST. It's very simple. Enter GST. And finally, discount, product discount, product discount is equal to, again, we will be having input of enter discounted price or enter discount, enter discount, enter discount. Okay. Finally, I want to calculate the final price of the product. So how to calculate final price of the product? Okay. Final price. What I can do for final price? Final price is equal to product price plus GST, product GST minus product discount, minus product discount. Finally, I need to print the final price of the product. Print uh, final price of the product is, final price of the product is, okay, product is, then I need to give some comma, then you can get the final price of the product. This is the way of writing the program. This is the way of the writing program. So let me execute the program. I will give some product price here. So simply I will give some product price and I will add some GST and I will add some discount also. And finally I will calculate the final price of the product. Suppose the product price is 30,000. Okay, so then GST is something like 3,000. Okay, so I need to give the discount for the product is 5,000. Okay, so you will be getting the error. You will be getting the error. Exactly, the error will come. Why? Because of what you are doing is very simple. What you are doing is very simple. Okay, I will tell you how the calculation is going to be happening here. How the calculation is going to be happening here is product price I added 30,000, right? Product price I added 30,000. Okay. This is taking as string, sir. Input always takes string data, remember. Okay. So 30,000 plus uh, I added GST and I making discount 5,000. I given the discount. So here this minus, okay, this is also string. Input, you are giving the number value. In input, I'm giving the number value, but that number automatically takes the string data, default to take the string data. So string data minus operation cannot perform. String data minus operation cannot perform. Plus operation can perform, but this will be adding like 30, 30,000, 3,000, something like that. Okay, uh, let me typecast here. I will typecast this into the integer. So we know int of, right? So int of PRD price and int of PRD GST and int of PRD discount. Now calculation will work out. Now calculation will work out. Arithmetic operators will perform. Execute one more time. Again, product price I'm giving 3,000, 30,000 and GST I'm giving 3,000 and the discount I'm giving 5,000. On okay, sorry, somewhere still not saved. Let me do one thing. Okay, let me keep int of here. Whenever you are taking the input data, there only I'm giving the int of, then maybe it will work out. Int of GST, and this is also this input also int of something like discount. Finally, I do I do values now. PRD price, PRD price plus PRD GST, PRD GST minus PRD discount. Okay. Now I can able to get the final price of the product. So how then it will going to be happening with, now this is going to be happening with, so the calculation, whatever the number you give, that number will take. Okay, let me do one thing. So runtime, run all. Okay. Oh my God. Run all means it is going first name. Srini. Mohansh Tech. Okay, that is okay, fine. And coming down, all the things are getting executing here. Cloud is executing here. It will take a few seconds to execute the total file. See, program is very simple. Price calculator program is very simple. You have to understand the program, how the things are going to be getting happening with. I'll do one thing like, otherwise I will do one thing. I'll take a new collaboratory. The execution time is little bit. I'll do one thing. I'll take a new collaboratory, new notebook in Drive. I'm taking new notebook and first of all connect to the Google Drive. And this is Calci, price Calci, price Calci. Okay. Start coding. Okay. Execute it. Enter the product price. Again, 30,000 and 3,000 and 5,000. So final price of the product is 28,000. You know, right? 30 plus 3, 33, 33 minus 5,000, 28,000. Okay. In this way, you can able to work with the price calculators. But here, price calculators, the one important trick is type conversion. Type conversion is compulsory. Okay. So I'm writing the point here. Input by default, by default, input by default will take string data. Will take string data. Input by default will take a string data. String data type. Input by default takes string data type. When you want to perform calculations like this, you need to convert it to the integers. When we want, when we want to, when we want perform, when we want perform uh, arithmetic operations, arithmetic operations, then you need to do typecast. Okay, that's all actually. This is a very simple trick actually. Try to understand the program. So if you like the video, share your friends and subscribe the channel, and please like the video, and comments are needful. Mohansh Technologies is going to be giving all the Python Python related programming related videos free in Telugu and English. At the same time, JavaScript programming also I'm giving free of cost in English and Telugu. And this Python is mostly using in all IT domains, like emerging technologies, quantum computing, data science, artificial intelligence, blockchain, and everywhere, full stack application creations. Everywhere Python is very, very famous, the number one trending programming language in the IT industry world. Okay, so that is the thing. And Mohan's technology, uh, quantum computing and blockchain, all this cybersecurity, IAM related, Ping, CyberArk, Okta, MuleSoft. These courses are going to be launching 45-day sessions very soon. And please subscribe the channel. Okay, please subscribe the channel and go like the video and comment the video. We'll meet in the next video. The same price calculator with percentages we will do. Same price calculator with percentages we will do. Okay, so bye for now. See you signing off. Bye.